Welcome to Anyu's Kitchen. Today we are showing you how to make breaded pork. The ingredients and tools that you need for the Hungarian breaded pork are pork loins, salt, oil, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. And the tools that you need are a knife, a tenderizer, 3 plates, a cup for the eggs to check if they're good before you put them into the plate, a cutting board, and a frying pan with the oil in it. Also you need some paper. First we wash all the meat in lukewarm water. Not everybody likes the fatty bit, so you can cut it off if you don't want it. It's also a bit unhealthy, so if you cut it off, then it makes it a bit healthier. Now you're knocking the meat. We knock it on both sides to relax the fibers. We like the fatty bits, so I'll leave it on the other meat and just knock it gently and repeat it for all the meats. Salt the meat lightly and I rub the salt in. I repeat with all the meat and I put them on each other so that they soak the salt in. While we prepare all the other things, we let the meat rest a bit so that the salt soaks into the meat itself. Eggs. Beat the egg. Check if it's good. And then mix the egg with a little salt. We've put some flour into one of the plates, the eggs in the middle one, and the last one has some breadcrumbs in it. We cut the meat into smaller pieces to make it easier to bread it. Here you go. We warm some oil up. First we put the piece of meat into flour, then into egg, and then into breadcrumbs. Put it aside and repeat. Put aside. If you run out of eggs, just beat another egg. We put a little bread into the oil. When it's fizzing, then the oil is ready and you can put the meat in. If it's fizzing very much, then you can put it on medium heat. After a couple of minutes, I turn it around. I can see it's fizzing a lot, so I put it on even lower heat. Fry it until it becomes brown, and once it's brown, take it out into the paper. And another useful tool is the rotating plier, which we've got here. Both sides, so that it's a bit healthier. We put the next lot in. And fry it until it's brown again on both sides. After 4-5 minutes, I turn the meat around. If it's on medium heat, it will take longer than on high heat. After about 5 more minutes of cooking on both sides, the other breaded meat is ready as well. I make sure the oil dries off it. If you have some eggs left over, you might as well fry the eggs as well into the oil. For a couple of minutes I turn it around and fry it a little bit more. It didn't take long for the egg to get ready. The breaded pork is now ready. You may serve it with potato fries, and you can have some mayonnaise, ketchup, horseradish, mustard, salt, pepper, and pickles or salad with it. Enjoy!